Hello guys, welcome or welcome back. Thank you guys so much for joining me. So today I'm going to give you guys a really quick review about a deep conditioner that I tried recently. It is called Pumpkin Mint by Dynasty. It retails for about 16 bucks and you get an 8-ounce jar. So I started off on freshly washed hair, and the first thing I noticed about the product is the scent. The scent is so amazing. I do not know how to describe it. It kind of smells minty, but it also has maybe subtle notes of nutmeg. I don't know. It smells good. At this point, that's the only thing I have for you. It smells really good, and it's not overwhelming. It's very subtle, but it's a very nice scent. So that's the first thing I noticed. The second thing I noticed is the slip that it gives you almost immediately. When you put it on your hair, it really softens your hair and provides a really nice slip for detangling. Typically, I like to detangle once I apply all of the product to all of my hair. That way it soaks in a bit and it softens my hair up, and then I can detangle. But with this, I was kind of almost able to detangle rather quickly. So I really love that I felt the product working on my hair. The third thing I noticed is that a little went a long way, and of course I love that because I have a lot of hair and sometimes I can use a lot of product depending on the product. So I really appreciated that because I used about 1/4 of the jar, and honestly I used a bit more than I needed to. So definitely can get a decent amount of uses out of this product. So here I am applying more water to my hair. The product worked very well. My hair was super saturated with water, and I believe that aided in how well the product worked and the way it moved through my hair. So I would definitely suggest making sure your hair is soaking wet and not allowing it to dry a little bit. And if it does dry, add more water. That's what worked the best for me. After I applied it to my entire head, I just left it on for about 30 minutes. And it worked so well. I kind of wish I sat under the dryer, so I think I'm going to do that the next time. So after my 30 minutes was up, I washed it out, and my hair felt so soft and revived. And I really needed it because I felt like my hair needed a ton of moisture, and this definitely provided my hair with that. This was pre-protein treatment. So my hair isn't clumping together very well, but it clumped together more than it normally does. So the product works very well. I highly recommend it. This is not sponsored in any way. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. And I will keep you posted on my next reviews. And I can't wait to see you in the next video. Until next time, thank you guys so much for joining me. I truly appreciate it. Bye.